Hello and welcome back to you. That was disgusting. Looks like we're trapped here in this prison with this sticky smell, and we need to escape right now. I cannot stand this smell anymore. Let's dug ourselves into the dark. Yay! Ooh, another prisoner here. How you wanna go with me? How? Okay, looks like he prefers solo traveling. I'm gonna do this by myself. I'm good. Tom is professional in prison break. Now gotta jump to that ladder. Yeah. And let's smash the button. Ooh, I better not fall down. Ooh. Ooh. Ouch. Okay, gonna do that again. I'm not gonna fall this time. Ooh, that was close. Yay. And I gotta take the wrench and smash down this thing. Now where are we? Oh, wait, gotta hide away from the cops. He saw me. Gotta be faster, faster, faster. No, no. Oh my god, that guy is also being faster than I thought. And let's try that again. Oh, there's a pal going with me. Okay, pal. I'm gonna distract him. You go press the button. And that pal just left me. And this pal is still chasing after me. Gonna go. Okay, I saw the arrow. Whoop. He jumped off. He cannot be as flexible as Tom. No one cannot stop Tom. Even this dangerous laser. Now we're inside the vent. Always the safest place. Gotta get out anyway. Ew, that thing could be compared to my socks. Okay, let's dig this hole, Agent T. I'm Agent Tom, the Agent T. Okay, it makes sense to have a lava river right under the prison. But lava cannot stop Tom. Tom is professional, and Tom is flexible, and Tom is not afraid of height anymore. Okay, not even a fire. Fire cannot stop Tom. Whoop, whoop, right timing. Good job, Tom. Good job, myself. Oh, more timing. Okay. I don't want to be stabbed. Okay, timing is important now. Okay, so what is that lava rock ball? Oh, I just somehow understood my assignment. Ouch. Tom just understood his assignment and now he's dead. I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, that pal knows. So if we hide right at the torch place, we will not be hit. Yes, Tom is so smart. Follow me, pal. Follow Tom. Tom found a way out. Gotta run away from this cop and avoid these traps. Oh no, oh no. I'm sorry, sir. I will disappear right now. I'm not gonna be here anymore. Just let me go. Okay. Gonna do it again. I'm not afraid of you, sir. I can do this. Tom is professional. Yes, I got it 3 times already. Ha ha ha, chase me if you can. Oh no, more balls, more rocks, more jumping. Ha. That cop cannot jump. He's not as flexible as Tom. Whoop. Okay, let's continue. Whoop. Whoop. Almost there, yes. Now, whoa. An old-fashioned elevator. Looks cool, but quite dangerous. But Tom is not afraid. Okay, let's go to the vending machine. Tom is thirsty already. Tom has superpower now. Usain Bolt mode turning on. Oh no, so many lasers. Tom's still good. Almost there. Phew. Maybe DC should really hire me instead of the Flash. Maybe Tom could also be a superhero. Or with this superpower, I could also be a villain. Ha 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 ha. Okay, so there are storage room, visitor phone center, and I just saw something ladder on the wall. Respawn. Oh, there is a ladder here. Okay, let's take this thing to that sentence on the wall. Oh, okay, so we need it to get into the vent. Okay, the vent is opened, but wait. Oh, something is wrong. Let me fix it. Whoop. Okay, that worked. Okay, more laser. Oh, whoa, the heck? Laser is moving. Okay, but I passed that professionally. You guys have to admit that. Okay, falling rock ball. Gotta go this way. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Gotta avoid. Ouch! Okay, I became a rock when I died. At least my head came back to my neck now. Oh, gotta try that again. That was hard. Tom is feeling confused for the first time now. Okay, this is ruining my record of being professional. I'm gonna try hard. Focus, focus. Focus, Tom. You can do it. Almost there. One more step. You can do it. I trust you myself. Yes, we made it. Okay. So now, our next mission is to close the valves. Here is the first one. Whoop. Closed already. Where are the others? Okay, one over there. Whoop. Closed. Where is the final? Guess we're gonna go this way because there are so many traps here. And normally, important places are so dangerous. So here we are. All of them are closed. Now I wonder where we're gonna go next. Up this ladder, I saw some sentences. Okay, well, we've done that already. Whoop. Oh my god. It looks not that hard. Not that hard to Tom. Nothing is too hard to Tom. Into the vent again. Into the vent again. Oh, there is some snow here. Ooh. Ooh. I'm being pushed by the wind. That's why I'm being so fast. But not being the Flash. Wow, what is that? Guess we're gonna pass this. Oh, that was smooth. I didn't think I would pass that laser fan that smoothly. Okay, we're inside now. Yuck. Do people here like to fart to welcome people? Is it like some traditional stuff? Okay, Gary the chef. Gary the farting chef. I'm not trying to offend your fart. Just continue your thing. I'm sorry. Didn't mean to judge. Just gonna take my food to bed. Ow. so sorry for judging your fart, but you didn't have to smash me that hard. I have my food bazooka right now. Behold the strength of egg yolk, and tomato, and cucumber, and burger. That's the price you have to take for smashing Tom's head. Okay, let's rolling with Tom. Ouch. This is looking quite painful. Ouch. I died by rolling myself. Okay, let's do this again more gently and smoothly. Yes. Phew. We're fine this time. Okay, I saw ladder. I need to climb. Up, up, up. Like rap, rap, rap. And air traveling. Wow. So many laser cells. But all of you lasers and traps cannot stop Tom. Even you couldn't stop Tom from escaping. Even you red laser. Phew. Okay. I think we're almost there. Gonna climb up, up, up. Get your planks here. Okay, I got my plank. It's time to build a bridge. I need to go over there. Ouch! I lost my head. Well, okay, my head came back on my neck again. So let's do that again. Let's take our plank and let's build a bridge again. But gotta be careful this time. Not gonna be die like that. I just got some shortcut to get here. But okay. Gonna get my food bazooka again and fight this mech robot. You thought you're gonna be stronger when you're bigger? You cannot defeat it. No one can stop. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, Tom is fine. Just hurt my butt a little bit, but Tom can still run and still shoot you. Okay, almost defeated. Ow, ow. Oh no. I think we died together. Sir, do you still wanna fight? You still wanna fight? I can fight you all day. Okay, he's good. He's good. He don't wanna fight anymore. He witnessed Tom's strength and he's afraid now. Ha! I got my way out of that prison. By the SWAT car. Now call Tom the gang Tom. Got out of the car now. The arrows are leading me to the desert. I'm gonna have another adventure in desert. That sounds fine. That sounds fine to Tom. Tom is a survivor. Okay, there's a ladder here. Looks like some kind of secret buildings of Anonymous. Tom doesn't mind to join Anonymous if they want Tom. Okay, I'm gonna ride this helicopter again. Straight up to the sky. I'm leaving the prison in a VIP way. Okay, and we made it. We made it to the exit. Oh, here's a real asset to witness my success. We have successfully finished our adventure for today. Tom had some fun. Did you guys have fun? Hope to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.